Meghalaya's breathtaking landscapes and natural attractions have spurred both private and government initiatives to boost tourism and create job opportunities for the local youth. In a commendable effort centered around Smit village, the family of late Dwet Sing Rymbai has unveiled a resort in honor of their grandfather. Situated in the scenic Laitdiengwah area under Smit Sordarship, the Dwet Sing Rymbai Green Resort boasts 4 cottages, outdoor tents, a futsal ground, off-road bike tracks, a children's recreational area, a fishing pond and a boating area. The resort, inaugurated by the CM of Himalayam, Ainam Manik's aim, is under the management of S.S. Sotun, who is Dwet Sing Rymbai's grandchild and owned by Kordor Marbanyang. The inauguration ceremony witnessed the presence of officials from Himalayam, the Sardar of Smit and various other invitees.
Ila wan nang tay na po kalanti Smit para kecuko boru kaladon sinbot satay but nakane ka lamleer ang tay rong lapo ko sinbot kita giba wan sene ko matilaban wan nang bagini gi artali ki surap ibawan na jawai but ibawan direct with support Smit te hadian mapila po sene ang ne ka kampla kendiak tolong ba kane ka pung dokha ka bangi i hang ne khmat kabaran menta ya kane ka pung dokha tolong bangi ai ban kuai rengwiang umdei bangi ai bandasi pisai sisi rengwiang andrei kalong bangi ai binang ni hadian ang tu kalong bangin sathau ya kadokha hadian bapila dai lada piyo sikilo bidang kam bansiu kador sikilo lada phimdai umdon kam pisurong tang kachung sutanat kumturu biang hi umlele te andrei seni senang gidon ki cakaya songliang chongki khana bataja cakaru kapla ha kalong pila ala ban kam yo enjoyment ko bakam biang te dia nang to kalong ba satay sa jarong parkadon children's park adon ka futsal ka bangila pangkra la se mentang 4 complete barakat ka fencing kani katay andre la dang isu yala mula mala kala along hi andre kalong bala gidon kaman la tournament ngin saya ko ai ko kontak sengi